Hello everyone, hope you are well. This video is a little bit different because I'm actually filming this on my Canon G7X Mark II, which is my new camera that I got the other day. I'm going to be using this more for like vlogging and stuff like that, but I've just never used it, so I thought I would do this video on this camera just to, you know, test the bad boy out. You know, I thought I would do a kind of helpful guide for those who are wondering how to get on PR lists. But also, if you're, you know, not a blogger, not a YouTuber, you've got nothing to do with that kind of world, and you always see people receiving all these free packages and you're wondering what the hell, how do they get it, what do they do with it, then this video is for you too. So before I get started on the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of content always coming out twice a week now as well. So exciting times to come on the journey. One, I've seen quite a few PR videos floating around, and I watched a few of them and I was a bit like, some of them were a bit like, you know, random brands or really small brands or brands that you know you've never heard of, or like signing onto apps and, you know, that kind of thing. So this video is a bit more targeted to kind of like luxury PR lists, like the most wanted PR list, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Huda Beauty, etc. So let's talk about PR lists. So a PR list essentially is a press release list. That's what PR stands for. And it's basically when you're on a PR list, brands will send you all of their new releases, all of their new launches, any of their products that you request. So yeah, for like a blogger or anything like that, it's a pretty big deal to get on a PR list. It's really beneficial for brands to make them quite fun. They make PR packages really exciting. They come in exclusive boxes, you know, things that you've probably never seen before. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. And when brands, you know, they try really hard to make it different so that they stand out and, you know, you blog about it more or whatever. That's kind of the name of the game. So although it looks like loads of free makeup, it's not free. It's not like I receive it and there's no like obligation. I think there's like an unwritten rule where it's kind of like, okay, so we've sent you this and you need to be promoting it. So I can't just like receive something and just hand it out to all my friends or whatever, because I'm expected to then record a video using those products or promoting them in some way before then I can go on and do whatever I want with the products. So I recorded myself opening some PR packages yesterday for you, so I'm gonna go on, show you that, and yeah, you can see what it's like to receive them, what kind of packages they come in, and yeah, have a look at what I received this week. Hello everyone, I've got my retainers in, I've literally got my gel eye masks and a little towel on the head for you. So today I'm opening PR packages. So I'm in my beauty room right now. I have a beauty room specifically for filming, keeping all of my makeup in and stuff like that. It's actually the guest bedroom, but the guests don't get a lot of room. I think I might do a video on my actual beauty room and like how I store all my makeup and stuff like that. So if you want to see that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I have a nice little star on my door that says Kesha, just so that, you know, the boyfriend doesn't get any ideas about whose room this is. So let me show you some of the PR packages that I've got on the floor now. That one obviously I got from Huda recently. That's her tan tour. E.L.F, I just got this one. I'll go through that in a bit. I've got a Bare Minerals package. I've got an Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I've just got a few more over here as well. So this is just in a week kind of thing. I'll usually get about six to seven kind of PR packages in a week. And then obviously I have a week to kind of turn over to kind of feature these products and stuff like that. Okay, so just to go through these, I have the Huda Beauty Tan Tour PR package here. This one was really cool because it came like a weight, which I really, really enjoyed. Now with all of these PR packages, they always come in a form that you can't buy from the store. So they always try and make it extra special for you, just so that it kind of screams out to you. How it usually works is if you like the PR package, you review it or you blog it. Obviously you're under no obligation whatsoever to feature these on your page or anything like that. So it's really like on a trust basis, I would say. Here I have the E.L.F Cosmetics palette play PR package. So this is a really good one actually, guys, because this is like so many stuff in here. It's got like a few of their recent palettes, It's got loads of these in there. There's a little mini palette, which is great. So I love things like this. And the thing is, it's never planned. Like, you don't contrive and say, oh, because this brand got me this, I have to post about it. But obviously, if I have like 7 or 8 e.l.f. palettes, then the likelihood is if I'm trying to create something, I'm probably going to use their palette. And then in here, this is a really cute makeup bag. Oh, there's like glitter, lip gloss, some brushes. Oh, and a pen liner. So some really cool stuff in there. Really, really like that. Packaging is always, because a lot of them are international, it can be really, really hard to open. Oh God. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Anastasia actually, honestly, like, fully give one of the best PR packages ever. Oh, this is nice. Come in. Say hi, Toby. Toby, come and show your eye masks. So Toby actually has on his eye masks as well. You know, couples that spar together, you know. Body shimmer oil.